Last week, an article caught my attention and left me stunned. The headline ran Chatbot to replace human staffers at National Eating Disorder Association, also known as NEDA. Now, I'm no stranger to the idea of chatbots assisting in mental health care, but the complete replacement of human professionals, that's what got me. Let's rewind to January when I covered Koko, a free mental health company that was experimenting with GPT-3, aiming to reach 4,000 users. To give you a quick recap, there's an alarming shortage of mental health care professionals, and this scarcity is even more pronounced in rural areas compared to cities. Chatbots offer a glimmer of hope to the future as they can potentially help more people. However, this solution comes at a cost. Ethical concerns arise, such as whether users are reading end-user license agreements, also known as EULAs. Moreover, the effectiveness of chatbots in providing help has yet to be scientifically proven through rigorous studies. So when I stumbled upon the news that a chatbot is set to replace all human staff at NEDA, it truly baffled me. Similar to Koko, both entities are engaging with extremely vulnerable individuals, people who are seeking a human connection. This connection could be for finally admitting they have a problem, finding common ground, restoring a sense of normalcy, or countless other reasons. The point is they are reaching out to connect with another human being during a time of intense emotional vulnerability. However, companies are offering them an AI model to converse with, which feels cold and quite frankly heartless. Consider the perspective of Dr. Gassemi, who shared with NPR, "If I'm disclosing to you that I have an eating disorder, I'm not sure how I can get through lunch tomorrow. I don't think most people who would be disclosing that would want to receive a generic link of, click here for tips on how to rethink food." NEDA's upcoming rollout of their chatbot named Tessa on their website in June leaves me skeptical. Frankly, I believe this move is destined to backfire. Only time will tell, but I strongly believe that those who are most vulnerable and reaching out for help are seeking human connection, not merely a helpful link to read. If they wanted to read such links, they would have easily Googled them already. This is Kadi Grigg in Alexandria, Virginia.
Search for and subscribe to It's 505 wherever you listen to your favorite podcasts.